Alright, so where are we today?
Oh, the Denver Museum of Nature and Science.
Right, we're here in Denver. We got Matt, Sam, and Bobby. And what are we doing today? We are looking for
Gnomes.
gnomes.
I thought it was Sasquatch.
No, not here.
I mean, it could be here. We're not sure.
Maybe up in the mountains.
Let's try to find the gnomes, but can we also look for Blake while we're here? I haven't seen Blake in like 2 years.
No one's gonna get that. Alright, but
Hashtag where's Blake?
where is Blake? So we're doing this gnome or Tomte scavenger hunt. And we have now located the first one. Who wants to show?
Not Bob.
That's right.
It's right here. All right, let's see if we. I don't know. Oh, there it is. It's kind of hard to see. They don't want you to see him, but he is right there. Pretty cool. All right, we're on level 1. Let's go into the Space Odyssey.
I'm not asking. Yep, no, we're right where to go.
Yeah.
All right, Bob, your job is to find the gnome in here. Okay. There's one in here somewhere. Uh-oh, that's what
So we needed a time ticket, so we're going to go back to the Space Odyssey. We're now in the Hall of Minerals. Looks like an old mining tunnel. Alright, is there anything in here?
That's a beautiful rock. What would you say if you were on a hike
Explore the
and saw that
Scavenger
rock?
mine through the port behind you. It's where the armor keys are.
Nothing in that one.
Well, think about it. That's the only way you really know if you are related to Superman, you know?
Quartz. There you go. There's your gnome.
It says a gypsy, but he does kind of look like a gnome.
I love gold.
Alright, so far our count is 1. Colorado Hall. Alright, so there is one here, Bobby. This one is probably one of the harder ones.
Yes, no, this one, well, the other one that was tough was the one that's up in the river rocks fishing. Get him, Bob? Find him yet?
Not yet.
This one was a tricky one, Bob, because it's a leprechaun,
See him?
not a troll.
Oh yeah.
He's hidden right behind that cactus in the yellow,
Okay.
if you look.
Well, that's hard to find.
Right, this is definitely the hardest one that we've...
The history of the gnomes is that they were referred to as the Tomte, and they're kind of the spirit of the first farmer.
Yeah, but definitely keep an eye out in the clouds, and one of them, it makes an angel.
See, that's what I told you. I thought another one would be up in the cloud.
Yeah.
Here you go. Here's my little pack. I know. Don't fuck with the reindeer. It's Christmas time.
It's Christmas, don't kill it.
That could be Santa over there.
Sam did a Rubik's Cube on the floor. Look at that. Beautiful. Alright, we're on search for the Tomte.
That's, oh my god. There, oh, you can't even see that.
Right.
Is that like for Christmas kind of?
No, it's just like this little the joke the painter did. They didn't even realize it for quite a few, and then someone was like, "Do you notice there's like?"
Alright, Bob, the next one is this one.
Okay. This one is harder.
Alright, also known as the Nisse. They were seen as little elderly men with beards and long hair.
Should we just show them this one?
Yeah, this one I like. Well, yeah.
So, Bobby, ready?
Yeah.
We'll find it. Okay, ready?
The gnome.
See him?
The gnome, yeah. Oh, yeah, that.
So the Tomte's height is around 2 feet to 3 feet, but according to Swedish folklore, it's about 1 forearm, so roughly a little over a foot in height. And they do have that red hat, so if you see a garden gnome, you're looking at the Tomte.
Keegan.
Oh no. Sam, look what we found. Oh my gosh. It's confirmed. It is confirmed. We found it. It's confirmed. Look, ghost hunting right here. Ghost of the mountains. It's right there. Just a mountain line. It's the ghost.
If you stand up here, stand up where I was, you'll be able to see him. See that big tree in the middle and the painting in the background? Look at the trunk out to the right. He's in the cotton fields. You see him?
Go pick it up. It's a bird called to talk to me.
The Tomtes were easily offended by lack of care or lazy farmers, and then they could do some small punishments like a hard knock to the ear, or more severe by killing off livestock.
Ah, you found it, Bob. Look, he's waving at you because you found him.
There he is. That's number 6. We got him, get him.
Even though they were small, they were very strong.
Gnome number 6, found.
Can you see him better from that bubble? Oh, they did.
All right, Bob, find him. There's
this-
one in here.
Is this different? Because then you have to like...
Well, I think it's a little different. Do you see him in here, Bob?
Is there one in here?
Yep. You see him?
Right here.
There he is.
So in order to please the Tomtes, the farmers would on Christmas Eve leave a bowl of porridge out front.
I don't know if I'd actually be able to see you, Sam. It's really dark.
Good.
Like... Yeah, I can't even see.
Perfect.
And Sam has taken control of the UFO.
Hey, could this possibly be an orb floating above Sam's head?
There's the UFO. See it? See the UFO, Sam?
Sorry.
Very good. Sam has found a UFO. Did you expect to find a UFO today, Sam?
Yeah.
Every day. Every day. This is pretty good. items over here? Map pull yours.
Was that back here?
Yeah.
Keegan, you're pixelated.
Oh god. There's the Tomte. Tomte?
Alright, Bob, you see it? It's in here. Next one.
So they would leave the porridge out, but in a Norwegian story, a maid ate the porridge herself and was severely beaten by the Nisse. It's not too high either.
A little lower. Somewhere right in that area. Yeah.
Right here. Yeah. On the back of the
Good job,
dinosaur.
Bob.
Their bite was recorded to be poisonous.
The gold eagle. Look, it's dead bunny. Yeah, slip right there. It's kind of funny.
What's that?
The rattlesnake's about to be eaten.
What's that?
It's a fox putting a suit on or something.
Tomtes were not always a popular figure in the Christianization of Scandinavia. They were seen as a negative figure, where they were believed, or people that believed in them, or the farmers that believed in them on their farms, were worshipping a false god or demons.
The Tomte is often seen with a yoked goat delivering gifts around Christmas Eve.
That's a big moose.
Forget the moose, look at the size of the ant in the background. Holy cow. A big moose. Ant in.
Alright, if you enjoyed this vlog and want to see more, click this one. If you want to see more from us here at Culz Paranormal, click this link. Don't forget to like and subscribe.